Split, Croatia is the cultural heart of the Dalmatian coast. At the center of the city stands Diocletian's Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site built as a retirement residence for the Roman Emperor in the 4th century. But this isn't a museum. It's a living neighborhood filled with cafes, shops, and locals who make history a part of everyday life.
My name is Milan. I'm a tour guide for Italy for the last 20 years. Cycling in Brac is going to be hard, but very, very rewarding. Great views, coastline, hills, uphills, downhills, perfect cycling.
Rising from the sapphire waters of the Adriatic, Korcula appears almost ethereal, an ancient stone city perched atop its round island.
You're supposed to pick him up at the neck.
Beyond the city, olive groves blanket the landscape, producing some of Croatia's most extraordinary olive oil, still pressed by hand.
Korcula, that amazing island, the birthplace of Marco Polo, looks like holodeck from Star Trek.
My name is Julian and I'm a cycling leader, cycling tour guide. So cycling on the Peljesac Peninsula is for me very special because on one side you have like mountains and rocks and wines and all of these things, and then on the left hand side you just have the open sea looking towards Italy.
The harbor of Hvar is watched over by a centuries-old fortress, perched on the hillside, overlooking a vibrant waterfront that serves as the heart of one of Croatia's most historic and scenic islands.
Behind the massive stone walls is the heart of Dubrovnik, one of the best preserved medieval cities in the world. For centuries, it served as a center of trade, diplomacy, and cultural exchange. Its narrow streets still reveal layers of history, including an enduring Jewish quarter that dates back to the 16th century. While Dubrovnik remains breathtakingly beautiful, the crowds brought by daily cruise ships convinced us to spend our final day in nature, kayaking on the Adriatic Sea.
So we learned the word fiaka, which is embracing the art of doing nothing, and it pretty much resembles the life on the islands.